Nifty bulls must be simply blushing as Gift Nifty is pointing to a solid higher start. Hopefully, the rush-off, buy the dip buying, now transforms into momentum buying. The biggest positive catalyst. 1. Skymet Weather has projected a normal monsoon for 2025. According Skymet latest update, the upcoming southwest monsoon season is expected to deliver 103% of the long period average, LPA. 2. Traders optimistic about progress in the US tariff negotiations. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent revealed that nearly 70 countries, including Japan, have reached out to the White House to discuss tariff negotiations. But that said, investors remain focused on the escalating rhetoric between Washington and Beijing. Our call of the day suggests volatility to be the hallmark on any early excessive strength as Trump continues to defend high China tariffs. Long story short, Nifty may whipsaw in a volatile trading with intraday resistance at 23,100 mark on closing basis. Only above Nifty 23100 mark it is safe to assume that Nifty is out of the woods. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's bullish session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4,994 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 3097 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a desired consolidation. FANO April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index tumbled 10.31% towards 20.44 levels. At last check, USD INR 28 April expiry has spiked towards 86.41. Nifty PCR 24th April is at 1.05 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 24th April is at 0.78. Nifty outlook, positive start. All eyes on RBI policy meet outcome at 10 a.m. Nifty, CMP to 2536. Biggest make-or-break support on Nifty is now placed at 22,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 2350 and 2850. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 50511. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 49,159 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,200 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,000 and 15,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Today, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra will announce the first bi-monthly monetary policy of the current fiscal at 10 a.m. In February, the MPC slashed the repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.25%. It was the first reduction since May 2020 and the first revision after 2.5 years. The street is of the view that the RBI will again reduce the rate by 25 bps amidst 1. Backdrop of moderating inflation. 2. And the need to stimulate growth in Indian economy as Trump tariffs pose severe challenges to the global economy. Amongst stock-specific action in Tuesday's trade. 1. Interglobe Aviation, which operates Indigo Airline, hit an all-time high of 5,201 rupees on expectations of a strong passenger growth outlook in the January to March 2025 quarter, Q4 FY25, and falling crude oil prices. 2. Titan was in limelight on solid Q4 business update. Titan highlighted, jewelry, domestic operations, grew 24% YOY on the back of significant increase in gold prices. Gold jewelry and coins grew 27% and 65% YOY, respectively, with high consumer demand for gold as both an adornment and store of value. 3. Jio Financial Services, plus 5.3%, on reports of foray into digital loans against securities. 4. Indraprasth Gas Ltd, IGL, tumbled 5% on reports of Delhi government recommending the phasing out of CNG-driven auto rickshaws in the national capital. 5. NBCC shares gained 4.6% after bagging hours. 120.9 crore in new work orders and signing and more with RailTel to jointly develop data center projects in India and overseas.